Hello. In the last lecture, we finalized that we will install ROS Melodic. Here, I already have Ubuntu 18 installed in my PC. If you want to learn the Ubuntu installation on a virtual machine, you can go through the appendix section of this course. Here, we will start with configuring our system to download ROS from the external source. We will do that by pressing the Windows or Super key and searching for softwares and updates. Here, we will make sure that all the 4 checkboxes corresponding to the main, universe, restricted and multiverse are checked. Next, we will provide the address of the ROS repository from where we can download and install the ROS executables. To add the repository, we will write its URL in a file and save it inside the /etc/apt/sources.list.d directory. And to do that, we will run this command. As you can see here, a ROS latest.list file is created with an appropriate repository URL. The next step is to set up the keys using this command. This is just a security feature to verify that the ROS packages that we are going to download comes from the OSRF or Open Source Robotics Foundation. Lastly, we will run the sudo apt update command, which will download the list of packages from the ROS and other repositories. After running this command, our computer is ready to receive the ROS packages from packages.ros.org. Now we will move to the downloading of ROS compiled binaries. Here we have the option to install only the core packages without any graphical window support. We often install only the core packages when using ROS on resource-constrained devices such as Raspberry-pi or Beagle-born Black. Here we can also choose to install the desktop version, which will include some GUI-based tools and some robot generic libraries along with the ROS-based libraries. The third option is to install the complete ROS software, including the 2D and 3D simulation and perception libraries. Although it is recommended to install the full version, we would install the desktop version because I want to teach you the manual installation of the remaining packages. Here you can see the command to install the packages manually, and we will revisit this concept in a separate section. For now, let us install the desktop version by executing this command. This process will take some time, so I will fast forward this video. At this point, ROS is downloaded and installed in our computer. In the third step, we will install some other helper tools to ease our experience as a developer. Note that the installation of helper tools is mentioned as the 4th process in the ROS wiki, but we will do it in the third step. Since these steps are independent from one another, we are fine to proceed. Let us run these 3 commands one by one to install the helper tools. This finishes the lecture. In the next lecture, we will set up the ROS environment and have a look at the ROS directory structure. Thank you.